Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. And this is the power saving mode icon. You can tap on this icon to open the battery saver menu, and here we have different modes. We have daily mode, this is the normal mode, extended, which is the power saving mode, and the time only, which is the power saving mode but a more extreme version. Basically it disables more features. And to enable the power saving mode, select either extended or time only, and once you select the mode, tap on the check mark, and now the extended mode is selected, and you can then swipe right on the screen to go back. So that's how you enable the mode. You can tell that the mode is enabled by opening the quick panel, and as you can see, the icon of the battery saver changed to the battery with the plus on it. You can also, like I said before, enable the time only mode. So if you select this one, tap on the check mark, it will reboot the watch into time only mode. You will have access only to the time and I believe the date and steps maybe. Let's wait. Okay, it's still rebooting. Let's check now. Okay, that's how it looks like. You have only time and you can't access any other features. And to disable this mode, we need to press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until the watch reboots. Like this. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until it boots into a system. Okay, we're back in the system and we're back in the normal mode. And to disable the power saving mode, let's say you enable the extended mode, you simply tap on the battery icon and select the daily mode. Like this, then tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, you can also scroll down and enable the auto enable or switch to extend. Basically, here we can select if the extended mode should turn on automatically, and you can select the auto option, which will let the watch to decide when to enable it. You can select at 10%, so if your battery level reaches 10%, it will enable the extended mode, or you can select disable to disable it and it won't turn on the extended mode automatically. So select the option you like, and that's about all. That's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.